Today we are going to do advanced placement in PCB editor. Open the PCB editor. Open the file place.board. You can see the board and go to display, blank rats all. The rats are not displayed. You can click on the icon also to unrats all and rats all. And go to display, show rats all, next, and in the find tab type AEN. And AEN rat is displayed. Then go to display, blank rats all. Then it is disappear. Go to display, need to show the rats again. Zoom into the mem area. Now we are going to swap. Choose place, swap, and functions, components. See, this swap is taking place between two components. You can try swapping within several components. You can practice swapping several other pairs of components. Here two ICs are swapped. And select rats all icon. Zoom into the area U4 and go to place, swap functions. Select pin on U4 that has a rat nest line. And select other pin from the highlighted choices except ground and VCC. And right click next to swap other functions on the U4. Select the second pin and they are swapped. If you are done, choose right click and choose done. Go to file, save and click yes. Open color icon. Go to components, ref test and see that assembly bottom is on. Then go to package geometry. Here also assembly bottom should be on. Go to stack of conductor, class H, and subclass bottom should be on. Go to stack of conductor pin, and in that subclass bottom should be on, and click OK. Select edit, delete, and select pin U2, and go to place manually, and select component U2. Here you can see U2 is not displayed on the board. Select hide button. You can see U2 is attached to the cursor. Then right click, go to all symbol and choose SOIC24. The package style is changes to surface mount. Then right click and choose mirror. Then it comes back to the original design and click cancel. Go to setup design parameters and select design. In the symbol option, enable mirror, then click OK. And go to place manually, select component U2 and select hide button. Right click and choose all symbol, and you can see the package style changes to SOIC24 underscore PP. And click left to place U2 on the bottom side of the board. Then go to display and click done, and go to display, property, select all symbols and click button show val. You can see the properties. Show val window displays a list of part types that have alternative package styles in the current board design. Then close and click OK. Choose file, exit, do not save, and start project manager. From start, programs, cadence, project manager. Click OK. Click open project. Open project1.cpm. Click design entry. And in the project manager, click layout. Open unplaced.board in the PCB editor. Go to place. Manually, and in advanced settings, choose library and Move the cursor onto DVHDL window and click on one component. It helps to select on the part outline and not one of the points. Move your cursor back to the editor window, design, to place the component. Repeat the previous 3 steps to place a few more components. After placing, click OK. By selecting the part outline, you can move the part. You can see the components are placed on the PCB editor board. Go to display, highlight, choose the pattern, click on different pins, they will be highlighted. And go to display and try the highlight option several times with the several pins. Go to display, dehighlight, and select the previously highlighted parts in the PCB editor. The corresponding component in DLG is unselected. And try highlighting and dehighlighting the nets. You can assign different patterns to highlight and dehighlight. During dehighlight, the previously selected pin will be dehighlighted. And exit the PCB editor, don't save the changes, and exit the Allegro Design Entry HDL and exit the project manager. Now open the AutoCAD Capture or AutoCAD Capture CIS tool. Click OK. File, open, and open the project release.opj. Now choose options, preferences, and miscellaneous. Make sure that enable intertool communication option is checked and click OK. And click the plus symbol on the left side of release.dsn and click plus symbol on the left side of release root schematic and double click on page 1. You can see the design is open. And open PCB editor. And open the unplaced.board. Click view, zoom fit. And choose place manually. In the advanced settings, enable library. Move the cursor over to the OrCAD Capture CIS page 1 schematic window and select one of the FCT components. And in the OrCAD Capture OrCAD Capture CIS, after you have selected a component, click the RMB. In the pop-up menu, click on PCB Editor Select. Practice cross-selecting components in OrCAD Capture CIS and moving them in the editor. When you are finished, click Done. And go to Choose Display Highlight. You can try highlighting and de-highlighting by selecting several components. And exit the CIS. Don't save the changes and exit the PCB editor. Don't save the changes.